Here's what you need to do. When your bobbin is incorrectly threaded, with significantly more thread on one side than the other. With a flathead screwdriver, we're going to turn this piece and we'll turn it to the right so that it lowers and the thread ends up a little lower, more centered, being in the middle part of the...
You have always loaded the reel in the wrong way. If your bobbin fills with very little thread,
using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to loosen this screw and then we'll move it just a little bit to the right. And in this way, it will fill us completely.